Editing the details of a spot or site. In the Details screen, you'll be able to edit your site or spot's name, location, description, and other information. Notice the Language tabs at the top, which allow you to switch between the different languages you've enabled. You don't need to complete all the fields in every language before you can publish your site, but you do need to complete the required fields that are marked with a red dot. Even though not all fields are required, the more you include, the more helpful your site will be to users. As you fill in the Details section, look at the App Simulator to see how the information will appear on your site. If you wish, you can include an audio description. This can be a good way to reach out to sight-impaired visitors or those who prefer not to read text descriptions. Audio isn't required, but if you do add it, bear in mind that audio from one language is not automatically copied into the other tabs, and you'll need to record separate clips. You also have the opportunity to include a recommended visit length. This general suggestion helps visitors to plan their visit, but has no bearing on the specific opening hours, which you'll be able to add in the next screen. Give careful consideration to the accessibility description. This is an opportunity to let all kinds of visitors know what to expect. How much walking is involved? How accessible is your site to people with physical limitations, sight impairment, etc.? If you offer accessibility services such as golf buggies or programs for special needs children, this is a place to let visitors know the details. In the Site Details screen, there's space in this section to add your own custom topics. It's not possible to add custom topics in Spot Details. It's easy to change the order of the topics by clicking on the arrows and dragging them to the desired place. You can also delete a topic if you want. When you've finished, click Next to continue. You can always come back in later and make changes. Tip: your WishTrip site is like a digital brochure that allows you to highlight all the information and attractions you have to offer. This section allows you to add extra information, such as material from your existing printed brochures, educational content, tips, warnings, or an audio description. It's an opportunity to customize your WishTrip site and make it more valuable to your visitors.